Hey, so why are you sitting so close to me? You're in my Corona space. Yeah, you're all up in my grill. We're making chicken two ways today. Spatchcock chicken. What?
I can't look at you.
Well, that's all right. Spatchcock chicken in the smoker and in the cast iron skillet. You gotta watch. Stay tuned.
Hi, you're watching Cooking with the Robinsons. I'm Shaylin,
And I'm Sean.
and we make our favorite family meals and we put them on video so that you can duplicate them at home. So Sean, let us know what we're doing today.
We're gonna do spatchcock chicken.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do one in the cast iron skillet.
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna do one out back on the smoker. So we can do it two different ways, show people how they can do it.
Yep, I think it's great.
And the great thing about this is it's $5 to $6 for one chicken, right?
Right, and we are in the middle of COVID-19.
Not fun.
Not fun, not fun at all. So if you're looking for a cheap meal, looking to pinch pennies wherever you can, this is a great meal to do.
Easy, and it can feed a family of 4 pretty quick. We feed 8 here today.
That's right.
Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I flip this chicken over. So this is the backbone of the chicken. You can see its little tail feather right there. And what I'm gonna do is lift that up. It's best to use a pair of cutting shears if you can, and go right on the outside of the spine of that chicken.
All right, so that's the backbone.
Yeah, we're gonna
Alright.
cut out the backbone of this chicken. He's already a chicken, now he has no backbone.
Oh my gosh.
You know what I'm saying?
That's total dad joke.
It's relatively easy to cut this thing too. So there's one side. Now we're gonna take this, I'm gonna be all chickened up here. Go back down the other side. Getting that on there, Reagan? Look at that, going right through the
There we go.
ribs. You
So,
will-
do people call this butterfly as well? Is it kind of one of the same?
well, usually when you're butterflying chicken, you're butterflying a breast and you're cutting it, you know, but you can call it that. It doesn't matter, it will look like a butterfly.
Right.
I think spatchcock is a term that was used to shorten the word dispatch with the chicken. Well, with the cock. Dispatch, it's kind of a weird. So it's really a way
Okay.
of cracking open or breaking open
A chicken.
chicken or a fowl, a game hen or
Okay,
whatever.
I got
So
you.
once you've done that, you lay them on back on this side, and you want to break that breastbone, that keel, I think it's called.
Yeah, keel.
It's like when I crack your back. You hear that?
I do.
And so that'll lay it a little bit flatter, and it allows you to cook the chicken a little bit faster than you would otherwise.
All right.
So that's that. So let's look what this looks like on this side though. I like to get rid of a little bit of this excess fat, just because I like to look prettier. Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
And the other cool thing is, once you've gotten rid of this backbone, what can we do with it, babe?
Oh man, I think we should make a good chicken stock, and we could do I love when you make that chicken soup with vegetables. That is delicious.
And there's nothing like homemade stock, right?
Yep, absolutely.
So that's good for that. We'll flip this one over.
And now while Sean's doing that, I just want to reach out to everybody. If you've been affected in any way by this COVID-19, I know we have personally.
Yeah.
I got laid off from my job last week. So
Not fun.
not fun. And we're used to and need a double salary. So I get it. Leave a comment if you need any kind of prayers, whether it's health-wise or a financial situation. We look at all of our comments and we pray.
We'll pray for you.
We pray for you for
For
sure.
sure.
Yeah.
So we've got this other one. I'm gonna lay it back on its, well, your back, I guess. There it is. Boom. Did you see that?
Ouch.
That hurts. It hurts. But look how it looks. You're gonna lay that out. We're gonna season it up, and then we'll put it on the cast iron skillet and out on the grill.
Sounds great.
So I'm gonna start by applying a little avocado oil, and I've got 2 different seasonings. I've got McCormick's rotisserie chicken, and I've got McCormick's sweet and smoky, something you can find at any grocery store. And I'm using a different rub on each chicken. Then you'll want to pat the skin dry, add some more avocado oil on the other side, and finish seasoning your chicken. Then take your largest iron skillet, place it at the bottom of a cold oven, and set your temperature for 500 degrees. Set your smoker for 350 degrees. Take that pan out of the oven once it's reached 500 degrees. Reset your oven for 450. Place your chicken into that hot pan skin side down. Once your oven has gone back down to 450, you're gonna take it and put it on the middle rack. Then leave it skin side down for about 18 minutes or until it gets good color. Now place your chicken on the smoker skin side up. Wait for the temperature of both chickens to come up to 165 degrees and you're done. Now the only hard thing left to do is to let these things rest for 5 to 10 minutes after you take them out of the oven and out of the grill. Now don't worry if you didn't catch everything I said. The directions and the ingredients are listed below in the description. Okay, so we're done. We have two great chickens in front of us. One from the cast iron skillet, one from the smoker. Both I know I'm gonna love. I kind of like the color on the cast iron skillet.
I kind of like the color on the smoker.
So let's see. You taste the cast iron
Okay.
skillet first. I'll taste the smoker. I know they're both gonna be great. We'll see which one does the best. We got a little sweet and smoky. Oh, you got rotisserie chicken on the cast iron skillet. I got sweet and smoky.
Both McCormick, right? The juice, there is so much juice in that. That is ridiculous.
That's a great, that smoke, the one in the smoker was awesome.
That's good too.
That cast iron does something though. There's something going on there.
It's juicy.
I love my smoker. I'm gonna give it to the cast iron skillet.
I am too.
Very good. I love a smoked spatchcock chicken, but try this out if you've never done it. If you have a good cast iron skillet, give it a try today, right?
It's delicious.
You're gonna love it.
And hey, if you like what we're doing, we do these about once a week. So please like and subscribe. We'd love for you to be a part of the family.
One more thing. My wife's gonna think this is too long, but we're gonna film a delicious what tomorrow?
Oh, chicken salad with what is left over from this chicken.
Catch it next week. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.